Hello class 8. Today I am continuing the chapter 2, which is exponents and powers. Now see question number 7 in your book. It says simplify and write in exponential form with negative exponent. This is first part of question number 7. 5 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 4 upon 5 whole raised to the power 3. Now this will be equal to 5 raised to the power 3 multiplied by, if we open the bracket, then because of this rule, P upon Q raised to the power n equals to P to the power n upon Q to the power n. Using this law, we will open this bracket and write 4 raised to the power 3 upon 5 raised to the power 3. 5 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power minus 3, because this 5 raised to the power 3 is in denominator, and as the rule says 1 upon a to the power n is equal to a raised to the power minus n. So this 5 raised to the power 3 will change into 5 raised to the power minus 3. Now as we know that if the bases are same and multiplication sign is there between them, then the powers are added. So we'll add this 3 with minus 3 over here multiplied by 4 raised to the power 3 is here. This is equal to 3 minus 3 is 0. So 5 raised to the power 0 multiplied by 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 3. Because we have to write down the answer in negative exponential form. So 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 3 is the answer. Now taking fifth part of the same question, which is minus 7 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 1 upon minus 7 raised to the power minus 9 divided by minus 7 raised to the power 10. Now here, according to Bodmer's rule, we have to divide the number first. So this term will come as same multiplied by 1 upon minus 7 raised to the power minus 9. This division sign will change into multiplication. When we change division sign into multiplication, we write the reciprocal of the next fraction. So the reciprocal of minus 7 raised to the power 10 is 1 upon minus 7 raised to the power 10. Now multiplication and sign is there. We have taken this denominator into numerator form, and this minus sign, minus 9 will change into plus 9. And here also this minus 7 raised to the power 10 will change into minus 7 raised to the power minus 10. Now because the bases are same and there are multiplication sign between them, so we'll add all the powers. So minus 7 raised to the power 3 plus 9 minus 10. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 minus 10 is 2. So minus 7 raised to the power 2. And we know that if the power is even number, then the inner minus sign changes into plus. So it will change into plus. It will be 7 raised to the power 2. And because we have to write down the answer in negative exponent, so it will be 1 upon 7 raised to the power minus 2 by this law. Now see question number 8. Simplify. I have taken first part of question number 8, that is 49 multiplied by z raised to the power minus 3 upon 7 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 10 multiplied by z to the power minus 5, where z is not equal to 0. Now we will take this power of 7 raised to the power minus 3 to the numerator and z to the power minus 5 also to the numerator. 49 can be written as 7 square because 7 7 yeah, 49 is there. Now z to the power minus 3 is already there in the numerator. We have taken the z to the power minus 5 to the numerator from denominator. So this minus sign will change into plus 5. And this 7 raised to the power minus 3 will also change into 7 raised to the power plus 3 whole upon this 10. Now if we add 7 raised to the power 2 and 7 raised to the power 3, means if the bases are same, we can add the power. So 7 raised to the power 2 plus 3 will come over here, and z to the power minus 3 plus 5, which is equals to z to the power 2 whole upon 10. So 7 raised to the power 5 into z raised to the power 2 upon 10 is the answer. See fourth part of question number 8 now. 2 raised to the power minus 5 multiplied by 15 raised to the power minus 5 multiplied by 500 upon 5 raised to the power minus 6 multiplied by 6 raised to the power minus 5 is there, which is equals to, I have splitted this 15 into 2, 3 into 5, right? 3 5s are 15 is there, so I have splitted this 15 into 3 into 5 whole raised to the power minus 5. Other numbers are same. Similarly, in the denominator, 5 raised to the power minus 6 multiplied by 6 is splitted into 2 into 3 raised to the power minus 5. If we open the bracket, we get 2 raised to the power 5 minus 5 is already here. Then multiplied by 3 raised to the power minus 5 multiplied by 5 raised to the power minus 5 multiplied by 500 upon 5 raised to the power minus 6 from here, 2 raised to the power minus 5 and multiplied by 3 raised to the power minus 5. Now 2 raised to the power minus 5 will be cancelled by this 2 raised to the power minus 5, because if we divide 2 raised to the power minus 5 by this number, we get 1 only. Similarly, 3 raised to the power minus 5 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 5 is 1. So we'll remove it. Now what is left? 5 raised to the power minus 5 into 500 upon 5 raised to the power minus 6. Now we'll take this 5 raised to the power minus 6 in the numerator. It will change with plus sign and then it will become 5 raised to the power minus 5 plus 6 multiplied by 500. 6 minus 5 is 1. So only 1 5 is left over here, multiplied by 500 equals to 5 5s are 25, 25 2 zeros are here, we'll add 2 0 over here and the answer will be 2500. I hope you have understood all these questions and it will be easy for you to solve question number 7 and 8.